Dito po sa 3D Lotto, 4,500 pesos ang panalo ng 10 piso nyo pag nag-match ang 3 numbers nyo sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito System Play. Twice daily ang 3D Lotto every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At eto na po ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number, 2. The second number, 6. And the third number, 6. Muli po, ang ating 3D Lotto winning combination for tonight is 2, 6, and 6 in exact order. Let's end the weekend right with everyone's favorite 2D Lotto game. D Lotto players, 4,000 pesos for 10 peso play ang panalo pag nag-match ang 2 numbers ninyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo via the Rambolito System Play, 2,000 pesos ang maiuuwi ninyo. Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. At nakapili na ng 2D Lotto winning numbers. For the first number, we have 21. And the second number is 1. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning combination for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 21 and 1 in exact order.